Hello everyone, I am your brother Horace, and welcome to our channel Mobile Coder. This is the day number 8 where we are going to learn about how to make a HTML form. If you are going to any site, so there is a form for login, there is a form for registration, there is some Google forms, there is some registration form. Also, to apply some scholarship, they provide a form where you are going to apply the scholarship. If you are a college student in the college side, they also have a form where you have to submit the college form. Just like this, if you have your own website, so how can you make a form like this? Okay, in today's video we are going to learn about this. So let's start the video. So you are going to make a form in HTML. So there is a tag also available to make a form. Just write a tag that is form tag, F-O-R-M, form. Inside this form tag, whatever the tigdam are going to done inside it. So everything in the form we're going to do inside it. Okay. So inside a form, what you have? You have a form where you can enter your name, and if it is a login form, if there is a login form, I am going to make a login form. Sure, I am going to make a login form. So basically, so there is a tag to set a label tag. With the help of this label tag, I set a label that is your login form. Log in. Sorry, the L is not working in my keyboard. Why? Sorry guys, L is not working properly, so I have to press it long. Login form. So okay, this is a login form. Okay, this is a login form. Inside a login form you have a field to enter your name and or username, or inside this you have a field to enter your password, and you have a button to log in. Okay, just like this we have make a field to give input. In HTML you have a input tag, so just write this input tag, input tag. So inside the input, what type of input you want to take from the user, you have to mention here in type attribute, type. Inside the type attribute you have to mention what type of input type you want to take from the user. If I want to take the user name, so this is a text, so just write text text. This is text type. Okay, I want to inform that this is the input tag is a empty tag, so you don't want to end it automatically ends. Okay, just this provide a input where you can write something. This is a number, this is a character, this is anything. If you want to take a user name only, so you have to write text. Okay, after it you have to take the password. So this is also input, but the type is not text. Type is your what? Type is your password. So you have to mention inside the type password. WORD, password. So this is two field provide you. One is your text where you can input some text. Another is your password where you can input password. Just look here. The password is going to hide, but the text is going to show. This is the difference. Why we write the text type and why here we write the password type. Okay, but I don't want in one line, so I have to break the line. Just write br tag. With the help of br tag, you are going to break the line. Okay, now this is look like this, but I want it some space here, so you have to again break the line, then you get a space. Okay, from this also I want a space from the this label, so break the line. Now this look like this, but there is no space. Why? No, it's going to set from here. Okay, now this is look like this. Login form where you have to place your name and another is place your password, and you have a button to submit this form to do login. So just write button tag, button, button tag, and in type you can mention this is just submit button. Just mention here submit, submit button. This is a container site, so that's why you have to end it slash button. With the help of slash button, inside it you have to whatever you write inside the button and slash button, these are going to display in your web page. So I want to show user this is a login button, so I write login, LOG, log in. Okay, there. I am going to break the line and also give a space, so another br tag. Okay, this is the login button where you placed. Okay, when you press in this login button, this form is going to be submitted. So when user come here, he cannot understand what I can going to give here and what here you have to enter. So you have a property to show what data it going to be have. So you have a property that name is placeholder, placeholder, placeholder attribute, placeholder, yes, placeholder attribute. So there is you have to going to give the username, so user name, and here the password. Placeholder password. Okay, just some blending color, this show username and password. You have to give the username here. When you enter something, this letter is going to disappear. When you enter something, this letter are going to disappear. So when you click on this login button, the form is submitted. So okay, this is something like you can make a login button, and some people want some default value, just like this in input tag they want some default value. So you can take the help of value attribute to set the default value. Value, value. With the help of value attribute, you can set the default value. The default value is user123. So this is the default value, user123. You have to cut it and again enter the value. This is the default value. Okay. So this is how can you make a login form, but there is some other input type also possible. Okay. So if I want to take a input of email ID for login, so how can we take it? Just write in type, inside the type attribute, what? Email. Enter your email. If I enter a mail just like this, invalid email, so when I click on login, so this is going to give me a form validation, please include @ so if I then I log in, so please, this is an incomplete email, so over.com. Now this is going to valid. So after it, if I want user date of birth, so how can I take it? Use input type for date of birth. This is a date, so you have to take date. Here is a date, you can give the help of this date. Set, you can set the date. Okay. So if I want not only date of birth, but also if I want mobile number, so I have to use type number. You have to only enter numbers. If I try to enter ABCD, this is not recognized. But if I try to letter numbers, this is can be going to recognized. So if I want to take some checks, just checks like if I just show you some input type so your input type is your checkbox. So there is two checkbox, boy and girl. You can select one or multiple in checkbox. So if I want to take a payment, so I have to I have another type of input property. This is a select tag to multiple selects. So before it I have to set the payment detail. How user going to be set the payment? By the cash, by the online UPI. So I have a input property, input type is radio. Card method, and another is here UPI method. Put here HR horizontal ruler. So there is two methods. User can input one from here. If I enter card, I can select card. If I enter UPI, I can select both card and UPI. How? If I want to, user can select only one of them. So you have to set a property name. This name is here a. Here is also name a. Now I can select either card or UPI. If I select UPI both card, then one is disabled here. Okay. Now after it, you have a select box. If you select UPI, you have a select box to payment through UPI, which card. So there is a tag, select tag, select tag. This is a container tag. Inside it you have to write given some option to user through which UPI app you are going to done your payment. OPTION option. Paytm. You have to select one from here, so just click over it. There is a select box open, GPay, PhonePe or Paytm. By default this is a, when first you have entered this show a GPay. So if I want to set another default value, so you have to set first option as a select one. So now this show a select one. If I click here, now you can select PhonePe, UPI, boy, mobile number is here, this, date of birth is this, email ID is @rp.com, password is my this, username is my this. Now I log in. Okay, this is a complete form. How it is look like. So if I come here and search HTML form, it can suggest a site HTML form. There is some form, you can see, you can read this article. Input type button, input type submit, checkbox, radio, text. Okay, lawyer name, first name, okay, middle name. So when you are going to connect this form with the help of PHP, you have this action attribute to connect with the PHP. A method, get method or post method to connect it form data with the help of PHP to with the server. Autocomplete method. Okay, these are the some tags. You can read the article, you can easily understand whatever the next thing here given here. So I hope you guys are enjoy this video. This is a long video. I hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy this, so you have to do a like to this video and share with your friends. Okay, And if you are forgot to subscribe our channel, please subscribe first and select the bell icon with the help of all. Then you can get fast our notification whenever next time you are going to upload any video. So okay, if you have any query about this, you can just go to the comment section and tag me. I will try to give the complete answer of your query. Okay, see you later and bye.